In this video, we're going to be talking about coterminal angles. So this definition is that coterminal angles are angles that share a terminal ray. And an angle coterminal with a given angle can be found by adding or subtracting multiples of 360 degrees. So for example, if we're looking up here at this 500 degrees, I see that 500 degrees would be coterminal with this 140 degrees. And that is because they both share this terminal ray seen right here. So 140 degree and 500 degrees would be coterminal angles. So let's practice going ahead and finding these. So the direction says I want to find one positive and one negative angle that are coterminal with the given angle. So first one, I have negative 45 degrees, and I know I can find these by adding and subtracting multiples of 360. And I want to make sure I end up with a positive angle and a negative. So I have negative 45 degrees. I'm going to first go ahead and add 360 degrees. And when I do that, negative 45 plus 360, I get 315 degrees. So I have my positive angle, that's coterminal. Then I also want to find a negative. And so I find that I can go ahead and subtract 360 degrees. And that would give me a negative angle. And so when I subtract those, I get negative 405 degrees. Okay, let's do one more. So now I have 395 degrees. So first I want to go ahead and find a positive. I see if I subtract 360 from it. So I do 395 degrees minus 360 degrees. I get 35 degrees, which is my positive angle. However, if I were to go ahead and add 360, I would still have a positive angle. I want to find a negative angle now. Well, I can go ahead and add or subtract a multiple of 360. So now I'm going to go ahead and subtract 2 times 360 degrees. And when I do that, you end up with negative 325 degrees. Because you have 395 minus 2 times 360, which is 720, which gets you that negative 325